So anyway, this is typical breakfast. If I want to eat breakfast, light breakfast. So this is the spices that goes with it: turmeric, ginger, pepper, coriander, calabash, aniseed, struvisa, all these are all the spices that I mix with it. I mix with this for cocoa, typical Ghana cocoa. Okay, and then I blend it in the, so it's already blended. It's already blended. And then, so I've done the first one. Oh God. This is it. no sugar, no milk. Okay, sometimes I use coconut, hard coconut to blend it in, but today it's just that. No sugar. The important thing is no sugar. With this, you can eat it with any fruit of your choice. So mangoes, banana. You can chop in banana. I don't have banana. I give all my banana to the rabbit. So pineapple, any fruit of your choice, you can eat with it. So that's it. I'm done, guys. This is my cocoa. Okay. Ghana porridge. Spicy porridge. This is spicy porridge by Odopa. This is the way I do my spicy porridge. My way. Okay, so there. Healthy, delicious. Good thing. Okay, thank you.